Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to use a Bulgarian voice on elevenlabs. So the first thing you have to do is to go to elevenlabs website and choose the voices option here, then click on the collections option and choose the Bulgarian option here. Now it will bring you to a page very similar to what I have here, and all you have to do is sample each voice to make sure they resonate with your project.
In questo labirinto siamo tutti.
Hey Jack, Dorina.
So after the sampling and you see a voice that is very convenient with or suits your project, you can proceed to add them, and this will go to my voices option here where you can work on them later and integrate them with your project. So if this video has been helpful to you, please leave a like and comment below for more informational content like this. Thank you very much and do have a great day.